Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to fix your glove box for your second generation. If your Prius has a hump and also is not holding the door up, as you see, it's falling down. Okay. So first of all, you need to remove the plastic cap and unscrew those two screws that's in there on both sides. This one is kind of hard to get it out because you have less room and kind of less leverage to maneuver around and stuff like that. So, and once you unscrew those two, just you make sure you just pull out straight toward you. And that should come out, okay? And now we're gonna go through the spring. So as you see on the back right here, the spring is supposed to be in that gap right there. It's not sitting correctly. And unfortunately, this happened to all the second generation Prius. The plastic is broken off. It's supposed to hold this spring, and some people they screw like a screw in here to hold it, the spring in there. But this is what's causing the hump, because originally this one was coming out. So I kind of push in a little bit to see how it works, and it's kind of staying right now. Alright, so I installed it back already. As you can see, I put the screw. I haven't put the cover in. Just doing the test right now. Okay. Nice. Anyway, that hump, you need to use like a heat gun and then to push it downward. Because the spring push up the plastic. So once the heat got into it, it's in that shape. So you need to use a heat gun, push downward, and that should resolve this hump. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.